treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Nissan Frontier. This 4-door, 5-passenger truck still has fewer than 70,000 miles. It features 4-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, front dual-zone air conditioning, skid plates, remote keyless entry, a bedliner, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.